Good afternoon. We're out in Forest Park today looking at a very nice one-bedroom apartment at 229 Marengo Avenue, located near downtown Forest Park. We're a block and a half off Madison Street with lots of restaurants and shopping, and very close to the Blue Line and the Green Line. So if you're working downtown, it's easy to get out there. So we're out here on the balcony, and you can see some people decorate their balconies. Nice place to sit after work. So let's go inside and take a look around. The living room is really a good size. It has a sleeve AC unit. And let me walk down here and now turn around so you can get a better sense of just how big the living room is. Lots of room for a couch. Lots of people these days are putting a desk over in this area because we're all working from home. Behind me is the entrance area. That's where we come in. We have a coat closet just off to the side. And then on the other side here, we have the kitchen. Lots of room here for a nice table. And the kitchen and this one is stainless steel appliances. Ready there to make a nice cup of joe in the morning. Good cabinet space. Nice and cozy. So going past the living room, we're going to go down the hall here. And on the right-hand side is the bathroom. And the first thing you're probably going to notice is the large medicine cabinet. Lots of storage. It's a really good-sized bathroom. And obviously there's a tub and a shower. Let's draw back the curtain. Tub and shower. Now out here in the hallway, we have two closets, big storage area here, and over on the other hand, we have what I call the vacuum cleaner closet because it's just the right height for a stand-up. Around the corner is the bedroom. Very nice size, lots of room for a queen size. I've even seen king size beds in these bedrooms. And the amazing thing is, look at all the wardrobe. Two double-sized closets, lots of room. Maybe you put your winter clothes on one side and the summer in the other, but there's lots of room. So this is at 229 Marengo Avenue, walking distance of downtown Forest Park. Walk up to the Green Line and take the train downtown in about 25 minutes. On the way, you'll pass a Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, and lots of shopping, including Trader Joe's and all kinds of other ones. Thank you for joining us today. Hope you enjoyed our little walkthrough. Have a great day and be safe.